decide to give it a little bit of rolling, you know, if you think it's very rough at the bottom, you can do that, but it's not compulsory. And this is it. So guys, if you don't get like this springy look, then you have to try and just pull it just to distress it a bit, or you have to redo the whole twist. That means you've twisted so tight. So depending on how you want it to be, if you want like a jumbo size one, you can decide to add like 2 strands together, you know, just to create that jumbo size. So you can do this by just adding 2 strands like this. This will give you like a jumbo size. So as you can see, I've already attached this closure net to my wig cap because I want it to look more realistic and more natural. So I've started the back already. So I'm just basically attaching the distress lock with my needle and thread to the wig cap. I don't want to crochet it, so that's why I'm going for this method. Just picking a strand and I'll go like so, pass my needle through, and I'll secure it. So just securing it to the wig cap. You know, you can just do it a couple of times. So if you feel that it's secured, then you can just start, get your scissors and cut. Yeah, that looks secured, or it feels secured. Do it one more time, and I'll double knot, and that's it. So I'm just basically repeating the same step until I'm done with everything. See how secure that is. So I'll go ahead and double knot it and pull it tight and cut the thread. Just cut like so. With this black one, you can decide to use a black thread, but I'm just so lazy to go get my black thread, so I might do it at some point, maybe when I'm getting to the top. But right now, I'll just go along with this brown thread. I think you can stop. So this is how the wig turns out. This is how the inside is looking right now. I use my foundation and got to be glue spray just to give it that natural look of the scalp. I went ahead and I added some baby hairs, and I decided to trim them like this because I want them to have that irregular look. I don't want all the lengths to be equal, just want it to be more natural. So this is the finished look of the hair. I really like how this wig turns out. I went ahead and I added this accessory just to spice it up. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and don't forget to share, and stay blessed until I see you in my next one. Bye.